Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hear your own voice in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the audio mixer panel. This is where all your audio sources are displayed and controlled. In the audio mixer, you'll notice a small gear icon below your audio sources. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This action will open up the Advanced Audio Properties window, which gives you detailed control over each of your audio inputs and outputs. Now, in the Advanced Audio Properties window, look for your mic/aux source in the list. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu under the Audio Monitoring column. Click on this drop-down menu and select Monitor and Output from the available options. This setting is crucial because it tells OBS to route your microphone audio back to your headphones or speakers so you can hear yourself in real time. Once you've made this selection, click the Close button in the bottom right corner of the window to save your changes. At this point, OBS should now be sending your microphone audio back to your headphones or speakers, allowing you to monitor your own voice as you record or stream. However, if you don't hear anything after making these changes, don't worry, there's one more setting you need to check. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on File, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the Settings window. In the left panel, click on Audio to access all the audio-related configurations. Now, look for the section labeled Mic/Auxiliary Audio. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your specific microphone from the list. Make sure to avoid leaving it on default, as this can sometimes cause issues with audio monitoring. Selecting your actual microphone ensures OBS is capturing audio from the correct source. Once you've selected your microphone, click Apply in the bottom right corner to save the changes, then click OK to close the settings window. Your microphone should now be properly configured, and you should be able to hear your own voice through your headphones or speakers. Now, it's worth mentioning that if you hear a delay or echo when monitoring your voice, that's actually normal with OBS monitoring. The slight latency you experience is just how the software processes the audio in real time. Because of this, most streamers and content creators prefer to keep mic monitoring off in OBS and instead monitor themselves through their microphone software, audio interface, or headset hardware. These methods typically offer lower latency and a more natural listening experience. But if you're just testing your setup or need quick feedback, OBS monitoring works perfectly fine for that purpose. And that's it. You've now set up voice monitoring in OBS and know how to troubleshoot if it's not working. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.